Well, I have a request from a subscriber friend about corn and cooking corn in the microwave. And I love corn in the microwave. But before I get to that, let's go to the corn itself. I bought these at Walmart. Do they look like top notch? Well, not really. But whenever I look at corn, I always look for the fattest ones, and you just feel up here as well and see if the corn has matured enough and you have little nibs of corn up there. So that's how I check corn. When I'm at the store, I don't go like this and peel it and look at it. I would never buy something that somebody has done that. You know, I would pass that piece by. But what I like to do is I like to cut that part off, and if this one is pretty long here, the rest of them are fairly short, especially these. Well, especially that one is fairly short, and this is optional to, you know, break that off. I usually do, but you don't have to. And then these little flappers here, I'm talking about this, I'll take them off. And then to cook one corn on the cob, I put it in the microwave just like that for 3 minutes on high heat, or high, you know, don't do defrost or anything. If I was doing for 4 corn, I would do them not 3 minutes added up to 12. I would do it about 9 or 10 minutes. 10 minutes, because it'll cook 4 cobs in 10 minutes. Now my microwave is 900 watts. So if you're could take a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, depending on your microwave. But 3 minutes per corn is a good time to start. And 4 corn would be about 10 minutes, really. And they'll all be hot. So here's 1 ear of corn out of the microwave. It is hot, very hot. And I let it cool down 2 or 3 minutes before I start to husk it. Now the advantages of this is it steams itself in its own natural jacket, and it comes out just so perfect every time, tender and sweeter. I think it helps to sweeten it with cooking with the husk and the strings, you know, whatever those strings in there, I can't remember what it's called, but in like 6 minutes, 7 minutes, you'll be eating corn on the cob. You don't have to bring a full pot of water to boil and boil it for however long that takes. So you save energy. And also, it's never mushy. It always turns out just perfect. It retains all the flavor and nutrients. It's just a great texture, and it works so very well. So I'm going to let this sit here. And I'll come back in a couple minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. And look at that, how beautiful that is. And the silks just come off so easily. They just come off in chunks. So it's easier. That's another thing that makes it so easy. And I usually take scissors, and that's how I hold on to the corn, right there. My handle. You can just take your corn, put some butter on it, and it hasn't even been, maybe it's been 7 minutes. You know, that I've got these out of the fridge and put butter on there, and in like 7 minutes you're eating. And doesn't that just look perfect? And it is perfect. So good. So easy. Great in the summertime. I can't wait until the local people around here have their corn for sale, because I always buy it. And thank you so much for watching.